Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and man, if you've not gone, you've got to go see this place. Even if you're not crazy about Corvettes, it's just the automotive history that's there is very cool to see, and they do a very good job of making it interactive and displaying it, and you know, it's just a very cool place. I recommend it. Put it on your bucket list. Check it out. They have some concept cars there, and the car I'm covering today is a 1986 Indy Concept car. I can remember when this thing came out. It looks so futuristic, but now in 2021 to look at it, it's like, holy smokes, right? So let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Unlike the other concept cars that are in this display, I remember this one, and I don't know why I remember this one from PPG ads, posters, but I do. And I don't necessarily mean to give them a plug, nothing wrong with them, but that's what I remember it from. And futuristic, kind of Jetsons looking, you know? Mid-engine V8, started out with a twin turbo, 2.65 liter. And look, what they had it figured out is eventually you could do everything in your car. And they were trying to do it with like a rocker switch. And now how it's really done is with a touchscreen. But yeah, you know, I mean, everything from cook your lunch to get the weather, it looks like they have buttons for days in there, screens and the door panels. And the direction was right. But I think it's kind of funny to see, you know, I mean, how they were trying to do it versus how it actually ended up getting done. No insult to them, because I was living 1986 and love it. So I thought that was cool. It's a good looking car. The nose of it says Corvette all day long. And those wheels, they look like something that came on like an 85, 86 Corvette. There again, you know, these videos are just a quick overview of some stuff that I thought was cool at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Go visit for yourself. Mid-engine. Nice job. They had the engine mounted backwards. Yeah, a lot of engineering went into that car, trying to figure out how to make that work. You can do some research and figure it out, because again, I'm no historian. All I know is cool. And the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green is cool. It's a good time. It's worth the investment of time and money. Put it on your list. Check it out. And tell them I sent you. That's not going to get you anything special. But, you know, there is a lot of cool things to see, like this 1986 Indy Corvette. And the whole time Zora was there, he was all about the mid-engine Corvette, and he never got to see it. But he pushed for it every day. So there you go, from the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, a 1986 Indy Corvette concept car. How cool is that? Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.